Do you know that your DNA is not just the code of life? It's also the most powerful data storage system in the universe? Hi everyone, welcome to BioSuccess Lectures. Yes, you heard right. Scientists have calculated that just 1 gram of DNA can store around 700 terabytes of data. That's equal to storing 150,000 full HD movies in something smaller than a sugar cube. Now think about this. Every single cell in your body has about 2 meters of DNA packed inside it, and you have trillions of cells. If we line up all the DNA from your body, it would stretch to the sun and back, more than 600 times. And the total data stored in your DNA? It's way more than all the computers, hard drives, and smartphones on Earth combined. Scientists are now trying to use DNA for future data storage. Imagine, instead of giant data centers, the entire internet of the world could fit inside a test tube. Isn't it amazing? Your body isn't just alive. It's literally a living supercomputer.